the girl, as she was checking me out, she's like, I don't want to be mean. Do it, because I actually like being mean. Good afternoon. Welcome to Solo Sunday. Whew, child, it is late. It is a pretty late start. And I got a late start because I had finished my hair at 4 o'clock in the morning. I definitely slept in. You know, I'm on my self-love journey. So Solo Sunday is where I make Sundays all about me. Whether that's resting, recovery, relaxing, setting. Today I want to actually go grocery shopping because I'm getting back into my physical health. I've been hitting the gym consistently, doing intermittent fasting. I do want to start incorporate some green juice and some smoothies and basically some like chopped salad, some really good healthy options. These past few weeks, 2 weeks, I have been putting in the work, but the diet has been lacking, which I feel like is definitely slowing down the weight loss progress. I definitely want to grocery shop, but I want to wait for the rain to calm down. I'm going to make myself some French toast because I have been wanting French toast for like 2 days. So, you guys like my braids, by the way, my geometry braids? They're so cute. So I'm going to go make me some breakfast, shower, make my grocery list, and yeah, tonight I'll probably either, the weather's supposed to be like this, I'll probably end up staying in to cook because I don't like driving in the rain, especially in Florida. People already can't drive in Florida. So the rain in there. Okay, so I am ready to go. It is raining. It's supposed to rain all day. Most likely, I'm not, actually not even most likely, 100% I'm not going out because like I said, I do not like to be out in the rain. It's one of those days where you stay in, cook, make yourself a nice cocktail and call it a day. This is a solo reset day where I grocery shop. I reset myself for the week, wash my fruits, veggies, prepare for my juices, my smoothies, my salads for the week. And so we're going to Aldi's and we're going to Publix. You know, like low-key my double chin kind of gone. Like my sister's like, I go to brunch. I'm like, girl, in this weather, that's probably why I don't get invited anywhere, to be honest with you, because it don't take me much to cancel on some plans. I don't know, man. The wind's shifting a little bit to the east. I think I'm gonna have to sit this one out. So, I was watching this show called Below Deck, and it was so sad to see up every day, and she does not like what she sees in the mirror. Self-love is huge, man. Self-love is huge. And I'm not gonna lie, there are some days where I had to look in the mirror or when I'm vlogging, but I'd be like, oh my gosh, that's a horrible angle, or I look rough, or you know what I mean? But then I realized, like, what? Listen, bye. You have to chase them thoughts away. Tell me why I receive an email from Spirit that say $42 on Wayfares. When I get home, I'm going on my computer because I still need to look at my birthday trip. I don't even know what I'm doing. My birthday is 2 months from now, and I need to start planning. It's about time you pull off over there staring at me. You never see somebody talk to their camera pull. Let me go ahead and use my phone. Oh, child. Bro, what the fuck? I forgot my quarter. So now I am just left Publix. So I'm gonna actually stop and fill up on gas. I have this new thing where I will not let my gas go below half. Really? Okay, if this one is out of gas, it's a sign I'm just gonna have to get gas tomorrow. I'm trying to always manage my time. One way to manage your time is making sure you're full of gas, making sure your car is full of gas. I feel like whenever you are in a rush is always when you're like, forgot to get gas. So I'm gonna make sure I'm stocked up and fill up on that. The goal for this week, make my life as easy as possible. I want everything pre-prepped, ready to go. I miss you people in Florida. Cannot drive. The girl, as she was checking me out with Aperol, she's like, I don't want to be mean, and I thought she was gonna say something slick, maybe on my hair or something. Once somebody instantly say, I don't want to be mean, I'll do it because I actually like being mean. So go ahead. I was like, bring the defenses down. But she was like, I hated these. I went to Paris. She went to Rome, and she's like, I hated Aperol Spritz. So bitter, so nasty. My Aperol Spritz is good.
Yeah. What's the worst case scenario? Plan out in your head how it's all gonna go. So you think you got it covered, but there's always something new that you discover you've not thought about. You can never figure out every possible outcome, and you're so scared you'll get it wrong. Have a good time, but I worry after. Petrified, will they think I'm awkward? When your brain's wired for disaster, even good things leave a bitter taste. Try to calm down, thoughts spinning faster. Terrified, hide it with laughter. When your brain's wired for disaster, even good things leave a bitter taste. Even good things leave a bitter taste, yeah. Even good things leave a bitter taste, yeah. Even good things leave a bitter taste, yeah. Even good things leave a bitter taste. Something unexpected happens, you can't let it go. Caught up in your own distractions, you already know that you're gonna think about this for a while. While you try not to lose your mind, not to believe the lies that you tell yourself, that you tell yourself. Have a good time, but I worry after. Petrified, will they think I'm awkward? When your brain's wired for disaster, even good things leave a bitter taste. Try to calm down, thoughts spinning faster. Terrified, hide it with laughter. When your brain's wired for disaster, even good things leave a bitter taste. Even good things leave a bitter taste, yeah. Even good things leave a bitter taste, yeah. Even good things leave a bitter taste, yeah. Even good things leave a bitter taste. Even good things leave a bitter taste, yeah. Even good things leave a bitter taste, yeah. Even good things leave a bitter taste, yeah. Even good things leave a bitter taste. Worry won't change the outcome, but I've been doing this for so long. My brain keeps signaling danger, although I know that I'll be just fine. Worry won't change the outcome, but I've been doing this for so long. My brain keeps signaling danger, although I know that I'll be just fine. Even good things leave a bitter taste, yeah. Even good things leave a bitter taste, yeah. Even good things leave a bitter taste, yeah. Even good things leave a bitter taste.
No cute pajamas because let me go ahead and run by what my night was like right after I left the bathroom doing my skincare. Went downstairs. My little schnookum pistachio threw up all over downstairs, all over, and I know why. I know exactly why. So he ate something he shouldn't have, and he ended up throwing it out. So I'm like, I check on him, make sure he's good, he feels good, feels better, and I could tell he was, because before he was acting weird. He was just like, but then after he threw up, just like humans, like after he threw up, he was wagging his tail, he was barking, he's like relief. I walk him, I said, we're going upstairs. So I tell him inside. Inside means go to his crate, because he's crate trained, so he'll sleep in his crate at night. And he didn't want to go in his crate. I'm like, why don't you want to go in your crate? He threw up all in the crate. I said, oh my gosh. Not after I just showered and did my skincare. Not after that. I go to clean it just like how I cleaned it downstairs, and I slipped and I fell, and the side of my hand just like rested in it. Let this be a warning to any of you guys who want dogs. So now I am off to bed. It's been such a productive Sunday. We got the meal prep out the way, had a fabulous dinner. Oh my god. I really hope you enjoyed spending Sunday with me, hanging out. I hope I did motivate you to meal prep and grocery shop and, you know, have a nice, wonderful dinner. I will see you in my next video.